Ready.
Okay, so there are 4 muscles that make up the rotator cuff. If you remember from last section, we talked about fossas. This is the subscapular fossa, supraspinous fossa, and here would be the infraspinous fossa. These muscles that you're seeing are named after those fossas. So, this muscle is called subscapularis. This muscle is called supraspinatus, this is infraspinatus, and this is teres minor. There is a red point down here on this model, and that tells you that another muscle originates there. So whenever you see red on a model, it's talking about an origin. Whenever you see blue, it's an insertion. The muscle that originates right here is called teres major. Teres major is not shown on this model because it's not part of the rotator cuff. Only those 4 muscles that we talked about earlier were. This is the spine of the scapula, and this is the acromion. Coming off of the acromion and spine of the scapula is a big red line, so there's a muscle that originates right there. That muscle is going to be the deltoid. Okay. Now, when I pull away all these muscles, you can see 4 blue dots on the humerus. So this here is called the lesser tubercle, and this here is called the greater tubercle. The lesser tubercle has 1 blue point, which means 1 muscle inserts there. The muscle that inserts there is going to be subscapularis. There are 3 blue points on the head of the on the greater tubercle. That's lateral to the head of the humerus. In order, the insertions are supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and teres minor. What he will probably do is grab an actual humerus that just has the blue dots and ask what muscle inserts there. So it's important that you understand this order. Okay? Let's continue going down the rest of the arm. So, right here is the lesser tubercle, this is the greater tubercle. Lesser tubercle, subscapularis. Greater tubercle, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor. Along the humerus, you have a red point right here. The muscle that originates here is called brachialis. Okay? Now, I want you guys to see something. There's a number right there. The number on this model for that is 80. Okay? Mm-hmm. On the ulnar tuberosity, below the coronoid process, is another number. That number is 80. This is the insertion point for this muscle. Those numbers always correspond. Okay? So, the muscle that originated here was brachialis. The muscle that inserts down here on the ulnar tuberosity is also going to be brachialis. On the radial tuberosity, the muscle that inserts there is going to be the biceps brachii. Okay. Well, let's see. You don't really need to know that one. Okay. Back here, this is the olecranon or the olecranon. The muscle that inserts here is going to be the triceps brachii. And there are 3 heads to the triceps brachii, which we will get to when we go over that model. But those are the blue and red points on this model that you need to understand on top of the epicondyles. You still need to know the names of these, capitulum and the trochlea, and styloid processes down here.